Hello, honey. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute shark. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Today we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. Our shark has a head, body, dorsal fin, pectoral fins, gill slits, tail, and teeth. Let's look at the picture one more time. A head, body, dorsal fin, pectoral fins, gill, slits, tail, and teeth. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the body. Just spot on your paper you like. I'll start over here on the left side. Draw a long curve at the top, then a long curve on the bottom. Okay, good job. I like your line. Now let's draw a stripe over here in the middle. Long line. Now let's draw a tail. Draw this shape over here on the left side. C shape. Then another C shape over here. Now let's draw fins. Upside down V shape on the top of the shark. And V shape in the middle of the shark. V shape. Then another V shape over here on the bottom of the shark. A little V shape. Wow, good job! Take your time, don't rush, pause the video and continue when you are ready. Now let's draw an eye. Draw an oval over here in the middle of the shark. And let's color it. Oval for blush over here and backward C shape over here. Now let's draw a small dot below its snout for nares. Upside down V shape for mouth and upside down V shape and zigzag inside. Zigzag up, down, up, down, up, down. Wow, you drew your shark so well! I like it! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Tag me in a photo, Nanny Julie. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. Now I choose dark blue for this part of shark, for fins and tail. I'm tracing. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. And coloring inside. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. for blush and gray for this part. Tracing again and coloring inside. Tracing this part and coloring inside. Wow, you did awesome on coloring in drawing shark. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. All links to social networks in the description under the video. See you, bye bye!